In front of me is POCO X8 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. First of all, you need to open Themes app and click on Home or Categories. Then select any theme you wish under one of those categories or under Themes. You can also tap on the search bar and type in whatever you want to. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, tap on the best theme for you. Choose Download. And tap on Customize if you want to exclude any of those options. For example, you don't want to change icons. When you finish, hit Apply. As you can see, when I go back, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to the default one, access Themes app again. Tap on My Account at the bottom right corner and select Themes. Now tap on POCO or Limitless. Over here you can also access all of your downloaded themes. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!